Brr. It's a cold and snowy day at Old MacDonald's farm. I wonder how all of the animals will say Merry Christmas. On Old MacDonald's farm, it is almost Christmas Day. He wants to say Merry Christmas to all of the animals in a very special way. First, Little Pig walks by and stops to say hi. Merry Christmas, says Old MacDonald. Merry Christmas to you. How will Little Pig say Merry Christmas back to you? Oink, 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 says Little Pig, just as all pigs do. Next, Little Cow walks by and stops to say hi. Merry Christmas, says Old MacDonald. Merry Christmas to you. How will Little Cow say Merry Christmas back to you? Moo, 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 says Little Cow, just as all cows do. Next, Little Duck walks by and stops to say hi. Merry Christmas, says Old MacDonald. Merry Christmas to you. How will Little Duck say Merry Christmas back to you? Quack, 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 says Little Duck, just as all ducks do. Next, Little Sheep walks by and stops to say hi. Merry Christmas, says Old MacDonald. Merry Christmas to you. How will Little Sheep say Merry Christmas back to you? Ba, 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 says Little Sheep, just as all sheep do. And so, Little Pig, oink, oink, Little Duck, quack, quack, Little Sheep, ba, ba, Little Cow, moo, moo, all say Merry Christmas to you. Thanks so much for visiting Old MacDonald's Christmas farm with me today. If you loved the video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.